we are going to take down the beautiful tree. It is seriously like January 6th. I don't even know the date, but anyways, but yeah, I think it's time. So right here, my daughter me va a ayudar ahorita, so we're gonna take down the stockings and the decor that I have down here. It's not a lot, but just the 3 items here because it's time. And down here, mis amigas, tengo los bins. So in every bin tenemos como los, ¿cómo se llaman? The ornament in one, and then this one needs to get cleaned. Well, not cleaned, but organized because it's looking like a really hot mess. So yeah, so let's go ahead and take this tree down because it needs to go down. And we will see you next year. Until next year. Okay, so this is our ornament container, and this is what I used last year. But these bigger ornaments were the ones that I got recently, and obviously they're much bigger than the regular ones that I have, so I need to order a bigger container. So I'll see, because on this side over here, esto también, esto lo tengo que meter aquí, so I have to see if all of this fits in there, because there's a whole bunch of stuff in here that I'm like, don't know if I'm gonna just keep them or not, but it's a whole process of it. So like, there's more stuff in here, these cookie cutters, estas nunca la usé. I don't even know why I bought these, but I like to keep them because knowing me, I have ideas, and then I'm like, okay, why did I get rid of stuff? So, you know, stuff like that. So all of my toallas go in here, and then there's just like 2-3 of them, and I still have some more in the garage laying around. So yeah, so hopefully, I don't know, I'm thinking I'm gonna get like a bigger container for this one, like this one, for the ornaments back there. So this video is going to be nice and short for you guys, and I had planned filming it for you guys, so I might as well wanted to upload it for you and so you guys can see cómo acomodo todo and stuff like that. But as you guys can see, mi perro no me deja, siempre está viendo qué hay para causar problemas. I'm just kidding, pero he's really overprotective, I've noticed from him. But let me know if you guys have a dog like that. My other dog is so super chill. She's just there, and if he overreacts, then she overreacts, and it's a hot mess. And you know, los perros. But yeah, so aquí estoy acomodando todas las cosas de Navidad. So in this bin right here, ya ven que estoy poniendo todas las cosas de mi arbolito. And like I said, solo lo estoy acomodando ahorita because I know there's a whole bunch of stuff in my garage que todavía falta poner. Like, hay un montón. Like, we just have it in a pile and like it's just crazy. Pero también lo tengo que acomodar. So this is not like 100% sure on where everything goes, but for now this will do. And yeah, so I feel like I was super late on putting my Christmas tree away. Let me know when you guys put away your own Christmas stuff. But you know, I started slowly, but todavía me faltó. I remember in this video I was like, oh shoot, se me olvidó to put away the garland that's around my window by the kitchen, in the kitchen. So I gotta get that down sooner or later. Pero sí, mis amigas, solamente este video me encantó, and I had so much fun. And thank you guys so much for coming back and supporting my channel. It seriously means a lot to me. And those of you that are new, welcome, and I hope you guys stay here for long. So yeah, mis amigas, sit back and relax. just like right here because vamos a esperar a my husband cuando llegue del trabajar, because la caja está en el garage arriba. We're not able to reach it, and we're just not trying to like fall or anything. But yeah, so all of this stuff, this tree se va a quedar pues está pelón. And then over here are all of our ornaments que no caben en este bin, and then there's some extra ornaments in there, and then right there is just like extra random, like the things that were on the tree, like those pompones, no sé cómo se llaman. And then over here we have los venados, and then this little decoration, super cute. So these were like on my TV, este que dice Mary, and over there the other deer. So estos no caben obviamente en estos, so hopefully I have another container in my garage. And yeah, so I'm gonna just go ahead and take this stuff to the garage and just kind of like see where I can put that stuff too.